The Kizer Begleiter Fix is the knife that you should definitely consider getting for yourself, especially for those of you who want something that you can quickly grab and access when it comes to EDC survival. So for those of you who are thinking about, do I need a fast knife for me to go ahead and get it out in an emergency situation that I can always use by myself, this is the knife for you to consider. The reason why fixed blades are so awesome is that in an emergency situation, you need the knife fast to be deployed. And because of that, this gives you an opportunity to take it out and to use it in the nick of a second. And sometimes second is all that matters when it comes to survival situations. Also, being it a fixed knife that is kind of small, you can put it in different kind of places and you can take it out on the go, which is another big plus to this specific knife. It is small, it is handy, and you can go ahead and put this right on your jean pocket and then get it out. Or even better, put this on your belt because there is an enclosure that you can use for that. The best part about this is that this knife is very handy, it is small, and it is easy for you to deploy in an EDC situation. Pretty much I really like it because of that, and I like the size that it comes with as well. So what are you waiting for? Get this knife today, get started with an EDC that's gonna work for you. Another good thing about this, it has this really nice thing right in the back that you can go and hammer things down, which is another added bonus to this knife itself. So welcome to a brand new knife review of the Begleiter. Oh yeah, this one is the Kizer designer. This is the guy who actually makes a bunch of awesome knives, and it's all made by Kizer. Now, when you buy this, it comes in a box that is going to be huge, and it looks like this. You take it out. You get the knife itself, you get this black matte finish, which makes it look really nice and appealing if you're going to give this as a gift. Inside over here, don't go ahead and throw this out. Make sure to open it up first to see what's in here. There's a hidden compartment that sports the following. It gives you the location for you to go ahead and put it right inside, which is the shaft itself. Instructions booklet, a sticker. Let's put that away. And if you're looking for an excellent survival outdoor knife, this fixed blade is gonna be amazing for you or to give away as a gift. Oh yeah, it also comes with this. Great way for you to wipe the sweat off of you or to wipe this knife clean after you went hunting, cutting some apples, some food, or do whatever you decided to do with it. Now, fixed blade knives are awesome in a survival situation because you can deploy them right away and get them to actually be used. Talking about use, I'm going to show you in a second how this thing is going to be used for. But first of all, let's go over all the cool stuff this actually features. So first of all, right here, the shaft itself looks really nice. Press this button right here, you open this up and you can put this right on your belt and you can close it just like that. On the other side, it is just the shaft. And in case you don't need to use it for the belt, you can just unscrew both of those bolts over here and it's going to be gone. You can just use this in other general purpose environment too, which is really cool. Now as you put this in here, stick this in. There it goes in. Take it out. Press your finger right here and you take it out. Now this is very safe the way they made this. Like other knives, well, I was having trouble getting it out and you can easily cut yourself as you're getting this out. This one is built with some safety features in mind here. So you put your finger right here, you snap it out, You shouldn't be afraid to put your hand here, because this thing prevents you from accidentally cutting yourself as you get this out. So it does have really nice features that are included with this. That's going to make it much more safe for you to use, especially with fixed blade knife, where safety is much more of a concern because of that. Now it also has a place for you right here. You can hammer things down in case you actually need to do that. So you can see it's built out of one piece of steel going all throughout this entire knife all together, and it makes it very durable because of that. Now this is an actual apple right from the tree, and I'm talking about an actual apple from the tree. I didn't even buy this. It's right outside. Took an actual apple, took it from the tree, and I'm going to be slicing it right now, showing you how great this thing slices. Now this is 100% natural apple. As you can see, there is nothing here, no insects, no specifically pesticides or anything else put on this apple. And that's how it looks like. In case you're like, oh, this is such a small apple. Well, that's why it has all those things in it too. That's how you get them. That's how they look like if you get it totally raw. But yeah, it cuts pretty good. It really does. It does a great job at cutting. I really like this knife too, because it's good. There's not too many knives that can do the job cutting, and then after you cut it, the metal stays sharp, doesn't have any marks on it. This is a very good steel. This is an indicator of an awesome steel, is if you look at this after you cut it and you see absolutely no marks on the knife itself. That shows quality product right there. Now when it comes to the actual grip here, it gives you very good grip. I have large hands. This is a little bit on the bigger side of a knife, but the grip is awesome. It also has this gibbering right at the top here, makes it really awesome for you to hold this and cut. This could be used as actually a kitchen knife as well, because it has all this extra cutting surface to this, and it can double up for that. So keep that in mind. Let's talk about the dicing power of this knife. Yeah, works really great, and it cuts pretty good. I like it. I really like the action on this. This thing screams quality, and when you get a knife that's this quality at no extra charge, this is definitely a quality one. So if you need a smaller EDC one, now not a lot of people need a huge EDC. Sometimes you just need a small one that you can use. And I do think this is a very perfect ratio, perfect size to what you need it to be used for. Because it's not too big, it's not too small, it's not too thick, and the ergonomics of it are really awesome. Hold it in my hand, there is no hot spots. There's absolutely no hot spots as you're holding it, which makes it really good EDC for you to use in a survival situation or for everyday use.